Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to create a free blog website like this. This website perfect for any kind of blog website like personal blog, YouTube videos, tech, news, photography, health, and many more. We can also earn money from it. This is very easy to make and don't need any coding experience. We can create this type of website on desktop, mobile and tablet. Within few minutes you can create this type of blog website for free. Without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, search for Blogger. Open blogger.com. Blogger.com is the platform where anyone can create free blog website. Blogger.com is well-known blog platform and it's run by Google. Click on Create Your Blog. Now log in with your Google account. Choose a name for your blog. Click on Next. Now choose URL for your blog. URL is like your blog web address, so choose more related to your blog. If the blog address not available, then choose another one. Once you get this blog address is available, then click on Next. Type your display name. This name will show on your blog as author of the blog post. Click on Finish. Now, we successfully created blog. Now I will show you the basic. This show which blog currently selected. If you click on it, you can see all your blog. You can create new blog by simply click on New Blog. You can create up to 100 blog per account. Click on New Post to create new post on your blog. In Post tab, you can see all your posts. In Stats tab, you can see the traffic of your blog. You can view complete analytics of your blog. In Comments tab, you can see all comments for your blog. In Earning tab, you can connect your Google AdSense account and earn money by placing ads on your blog. In Page tab, you can create page like About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy for your blog. In Layout tab, you can edit your blog layout like header, sidebar and footer. You can change logo of your blog. You can edit navigation menu of your blog. You can edit home page and post page style. In Settings tab, you can edit your blog basic information, privacy, publishing, permissions, who can comment on our blog, and many more. In Theme tab, you can change your blog design template. These are the themes from Blogger, and you can use if you want. To use Blogger theme, simply click on the theme which you want to use, click on Preview, if you want to check how's the theme looks. Click on Apply to use the theme for your blog. You can also edit blog theme file. From here, you can back up and restore the theme of your blog. Now, I will show you how to upload advanced Blogger theme which I show you before. For that, simply search on Google, Max SEO Blogger template. Open this link. Click on Download. Now, go to the download location where the theme downloaded. Select the theme folder and extract all. Now, go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Theme. Click on Customize. Click on Restore. Click on Upload. Now, open the Max SEO folder. Select maxseo.xml file. Click on Open. Now the theme uploaded successfully. Click on View Blog. Now this is default theme. Now, we need to upload custom theme files so we can easily customize this theme on any device. So first of all, click on the link which I provided in this video description. Now you are redirect to our website. Simply click on Custom Blog Theme. Now click on Download icon. Click on Direct Download. Now we need to upload this XML file to our blog. So now go back to our Blogger dashboard. Go to Theme tab, click on Customize tab, click on Restore, click on Upload. Now choose the custom blog theme file, which we just downloaded. Now again click on Customize tab, click on Mobile Settings. Select Desktop and then click on Save. Click on View Blog, to check how's the custom blog theme looks. This is default theme looks. Now we need to customize the theme, as we want. Now, first of all, we need to change our blog favicon. Favicon is like our blog site icon. To change favicon, simply go back to Blogger dashboard. And then click on Settings tab. Click on favicon. Now, click on Choose File. Please make sure, favicon must be square and less than 100 KB. Now, select the favicon from your device. Click on Save. Now close this tab. Go back to our blog, and reload the page. Now, you can see our blog favicon changed. Now, I will show you how to edit top navigation. Before we edit top navigation, we need to create About and Contact Us page. So go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Pages. Now, click on New Page. Type About Us. Click here and then click on Compose View. Tell about your blog here. Click on Options, and then choose Do Not Allow Comment and Hide Existing. Click on Publish. About Us page published. Open the page in New tab. We need to create Contact Us page, so click again on New page. Type Contact Us. We need to add contact form code here. So now, click on the link which I provided in this video description. Click here to copy the code. Click here, and then click on HTML view. Paste the code here. Click on Options, and then choose Do Not Allow Comment and Hide Existing. Click on Publish. Contact Us page published. Open the page in New tab. Our About and Contact Us page ready to link on top navigation. So go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Layout. Go to top navigation, and click on Edit icon. Go to About link, and click on Edit. Add About Us link in URL box, and then click on Save. Go to Contact link, and click on Edit. Add Contact Us link in URL box, and then click on Save. If you want to add new link, simply type text in new site name box. And then add link URL of the text. And then click on Add Link. Click on arrow icon to change the position of the link. Once you're done, click on Save. Now, you can see, we updated our top navigation. Now, I will show you how to edit top bar social media links. So go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Layout. Go to Social Top, and click on Edit icon. Now, simply delete the unwanted social link. Click on Edit icon, to edit social link. To add new social link, simply type your social media name. Add social link in URL box. Click on Add Link. Once you're done, click on Save. Now, you can see, we updated our top bar social media links. Now, I will show you how to change theme color. Now, go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Layout. Click on Theme Designer. Click on Main Color Theme. Now choose main color for your website. Click on Save. Now, minimize background option. Click on Advanced option. Make sure it's selected theme colors. Go to Theme Color. Click on Color Palette icon. Now choose main color of your website. Click on Save. Scroll down. Head over to Title Color on Hover. Click on Color Palette icon. Now choose main color of your website. Click on Save. Now, click here and select Theme Body. Scroll down. Head over to Link Color. Click on Color Palette icon. Now choose main color of your website. Click on Save. Click on Save. Go back to our blog and reload the page. Now, we changed our theme color. Now, I will show you how to upload logo. Go back to Blogger dashboard. Click on Layout. Go to Header Logo. Click on Edit icon. Click on Choose File. Select your logo. Tick mark on instead of title and description. Click on Save. Now, our blog logo changed. Now, I will show you how to place ads here. For that, go back to Dashboard. Click on Layout. Go to Header Ads tab. Click on Edit icon. Now remove this code and add your advertisement code. Click on Save. Go back to our blog and reload the page. Now, you can see our advertisement. If you want to hide this ads section, then simply go back to Dashboard. Open Header Ads widget. And tick on Show HTML JavaScript. Click on Save. Now, ads won't show on our blog. Now, I will show you how to post a blog. To post a blog, simply go back to Dashboard. Click on Posts. Click on New Post. Now type your blog title. Click here. Click on Compose View. Now first, add your blog image. This image show is featured image of a blog. Make sure the image fits to this blog layout. Add your blog description. Once you're done, go to Labels section. In Blogger, Labels works as category or tag of the post. So if you want to add category or tag for the post, then simply add tag here with comma. Now, if we want to show this post in our featured mega menu and in sidebar featured posts, then simply add featured tag here. Once you're done, click on Publish. Now, our post published. We can see how's our post looks. We can see our post also show in featured mega menu and in sidebar featured posts. Now, we need to post more blog. We quickly added some posts on our blog. Let's check how's it look. Now, our blog looks amazing. Now, I will show you how to add link to main menu. So for that, go back to dashboard. Click on layout. Open main menu widget. Now, type text for the link. Add URL here. Click on add link. Now, click on arrow icon to change the link position. Click on save. Link added to our main menu. Now, I will show you how to create submenu like this. So for that, go back to dashboard. Head over to layout page. Open main menu widget. First add the text, which you want to show in main menu. Add hash in URL box. Click on add link. Now, first type underscore and then text which you want to show in drop-down menu. Add link in URL box. Click on add link. Now follow same step to add more submenu link. Click on save. Now, I will show you how to edit sidebar social media links. So for that, go back to dashboard. Click on layout. Scroll down. Open social widget. Now, click on edit to change the link. Click on delete to remove unwanted link. Click on arrow icon to change the link position. To add new social media link, type here social media name. Add link URL here. Click on add link. Click on save. Now, I will show you how to edit categories and tags widget on footer area. So for that, go back to dashboard. Click on layout. Scroll down. Head over to section center. Now, open categories widget. Click on selected labels. Click on edit. Now, select the category which you want to show. Click on save. Now, open tags widget. Click on selected labels. Click on edit. Now, select the tag which you want to show. Click on save. Now, we can see our category and tag in footer area. Now, we successfully created free blog. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.